Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get PayPal statements. Start by signing into your PayPal account and go to Activity. Use filters to pick dates or transaction types you need. Click Download or Statements, then choose PDF or CSV for easy saving. Save files to a known folder for taxes or bookkeeping. If you need Form 1099 details, check the Tax Documents section on PayPal after exporting your statement. In this video, I will show how to get PayPal statements. Open PayPal in a browser and head to Activity, then apply filters to set the exact dates you need. Click Statements or Download, pick PDF or CSV, and confirm export options. Check the downloaded file to ensure all transactions are present. Move the file to a secure folder and consider backing it up to cloud storage for easy retrieval later. In this video, I will show how to get PayPal statements. Quick recommendation: bento box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers that seal tight and fit neatly in bags so you can carry receipts and lunches without spills. They stack well, clean easily, and save time when organizing your day. If you want the exact product and deals, check the description for the link and other offers. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to get PayPal statements. Launch the PayPal app and sign in, then tap Activity and open filters to choose the date range you want. Select Statements or Download and pick PDF for a clean, printable file. You can share the PDF by email or save it to your phone's files. Always verify the downloaded statement to confirm all transactions and totals appear correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.